2 weeks saying it was the greatest movie ever. The Stella do the opposite. Lower expectations.
Right. And then no matter what happens, she'll be happy.
Hey, buddy. I'm married, Barney. I cannot be your new wingman.
No.
Hey, Randy, would you come in here for a minute? Good news. I'm calling you up to the majors. Starting tomorrow night. How would you like to be my new wingman?
Just need to check my calendar. You right there? Tomorrow works.
I have a surprise appetizer for us today. Check it out. Potato skins.
Fancy.
Yeah, right? Forever since I had potato skins. I remember them as being pretty much the most delicious things ever. That's surprising.
What?
Just a potato skin. It's good, but not nearly as good as I built it up to be in my head. Even though the potato skin performed admirably, as a totally respectable size, I couldn't enjoy it because of my own unrealistic expectations.
Ed, I see what you're doing. You're trying to lower my expectations for tonight. It's a length thing.
No.
Click on the draw.
No.
Unexpected number of testicles?
No.
Carter.
It's just, this is a big deal for you. I mean, it's like your virginity, the sequel.
Virginity to electric boogaloo.
Exactly. And I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to see that. I wonder if I was worth it.
Yeah, of course it's going to be worth it. Stop worrying. You and me. It already has everything it needs.
Unexpected number of testicles?
It happened. I knew a guy in med school. We used to joke he was one ball away from getting lost.
Hey, what up, Rosehip Lieberman? No.